Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning how to use LinkedIn and other platforms for visibility. Having a great portfolio is not enough, you need to actively promote it to attract the right audience. Why LinkedIn matters for portfolio promotion. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform and a great place to showcase your expertise and projects. Attract potential clients, employers, and collaborators. Build authority in your industry. Steps to promote your portfolio on LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your profile. Add your portfolio link in the Featured section. Use a professional bio that highlights your services and expertise. Write a clear and compelling headline, e.g., Content Creator Brand Storytelling Digital Marketing Expert. 2. Share your work regularly. Post case studies, client success stories, and behind-the-scenes content. Write LinkedIn articles on topics related to your expertise. Engage with industry discussions by commenting on posts. 3. Leverage LinkedIn groups and hashtags. Join groups where potential clients are active. Share insights and add value to discussions. Use hashtags like #freelance work, #content creation, #branding. 4. Connect and network strategically. Send personalized connection requests to potential clients and recruiters. Engage with their posts before pitching your services. Join networking events and industry webinars. Other platforms for portfolio promotion. Twitter, X. Share insights, projects, and industry tips with relevant hashtags. Instagram, use carousel posts, reels, and highlights to showcase portfolio samples. Behance and Dribbble, perfect for designers and visual creators to gain organic visibility. YouTube and TikTok, great for video creators and educators to demonstrate expertise. Pro tip: consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience to stay visible. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.